Good afternoon, students. Now observe 18th problem. If S1, S2, S3, so on, Sm are the sum of n terms of m APs, whose first terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on to m, and the common difference are 1, 3, 5, so on to m minus 1. Then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus so on Sm is equal to 1 by 2 of mn into mn plus 1. So here given S1, S2, S3, S4, so on Sm are the sum of n terms of m APs. So total how many APs are there? Total m APs are there. Okay. So first AP, second AP, third AP, fourth AP, fifth AP, so on. Total m APs are there. Okay. So in first AP, okay, in this first AP, first term and common difference given. Second AP, first term and common difference are given. Third AP, first term and common difference. Fourth AP, first term and common difference given. So in first AP, first term 1 and common difference is 1. First term 1 and common difference 1. In second AP, first term is 2. Common difference is 3. First term is 2, common difference is 3. In third AP, first term is 3, common difference is 5. Okay, in next AP, fourth AP, first term is 4, common difference is 7, like this. So total how many APs are there? M APs are there. Okay, so this is one AP. So in this AP, sum of n terms, it is denoted by Sm, sum of n terms. Okay, so sum of n terms is denoted by S1 like this. Okay, generally sum of n terms is denoted by Sm, but here S1 is, this is first AP. So sum of n terms is denoted by S1. Here second AP, sum of n terms is denoted by S2. Sum of n terms, this is third AP. Okay, sum of n terms, it is denoted by S3. So this is fourth AP, sum of n terms is denoted by S4. So same like that, yeah, this is mth AP. Okay, so sum of n terms, it is denoted by Sm. Sum of n terms, it is denoted by Sm. This is mth AP, so it is denoted by Sm. Okay, so here what is asking? S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus so on Sm. Okay, so S1, first you have to find S1. Next one S2. S1 means sum of n terms of in first AP. S2 means sum of n terms only. Sum of n terms. In third one, sum of n terms. All are, you have to find the sum of n terms of each AP series. Okay. So first AP, okay, so A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. Sum of n terms, S1, Sn, generally Sn, but we are denoted with S1. N by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S1 is equal to n by 2. How many terms? Sum of n terms only. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into D also 1. So S1 is equal to n by 2 of 2 plus n minus 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus n minus 1. So S1 is equal to n by 2 of n plus 1. So S1. Okay, in first AP, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms, S1 is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. If you take in a second AP, in second AP, A is equal to, first term A is equal to 2, common difference D is equal to 3 given, odd numbers given. Odd numbers. First term is continue, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that given. So common difference is given odd numbers. Okay. So here also find sum of n terms. S2 is equal to, this is second AP, so that's why it is denoted with the S2. So S2 is equal to same formula, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, 2a, 2 into a is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 3. So n by 2 of 4 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3. So how much here? N by 2 of 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. Okay. So here the first sum of n terms in first AP series, n by 2 into n plus 1. Here 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1 into n by 2. You have to check it one more. Third one. Third AP. So if you take as third AP, so first term a is equal to 3 and common difference is 5. Okay. Sum of n terms S3. This is third AP, so that's why sum of n terms it is denoted with S3. So n by 2 of 2a. 2a means 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 5. So n by 2 of 6. 2 3 is a 6 plus 5 into n, 5n minus 5 1 is a 5. So n by 2 of 5n plus 1, 5n, 6 minus 5, 1 only. So n by 2 of 5n plus 1. Okay. So here S2 is n by 2 of 3n plus 1. Here 5n plus 1. Next one is n by 2 of 7n plus 1. Okay. After that one n by 2 of 9n plus 1. Like that form is there. Okay. So we get S1 is equal to n by 2 of n plus 1. S2 is equal to n by 2 of 3n plus 1. S3 is equal to n by 2 of 5n plus 1. S4 is equal to n by 2 of, similarly we get n by 2 of 7n plus 1, like that only. Okay. So asking S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus so on Sn. Okay. Now you are taken as S1 n by 2 of n plus 1 plus S2 n by 2 of 3n plus 1 plus S3 n by 2 of 5n plus 1 plus so on, like this. Okay. So here m APs are there. Okay. So total how many APs are there? M APs. So that's why we get how many terms total? This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. This is mth term. So total how many terms are there? M terms. M terms. Here sum of n terms. But here sum of how many terms? M terms only. This is first term. This is first, second, third. Total how many terms are there? M terms are there. So this is first term, second term, third term. So that's why total m terms are there. Okay. So from this one, by taking common n by 2, n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 plus 5n plus 1 plus next one 7n plus 1 plus like that so on. How many terms? M terms. M terms. Okay. Now observe this one. Here n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 5n plus 1, 7n plus 1, next one 9n plus 1, like that only. So this is AP series. So here this is first term, A is equal to n plus 1, this is first term. Common difference D is equal to how much? 2n, T2 minus T1, okay, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 3n minus n, 2n. Okay. So next we have to find how many terms, sum of how many terms? M terms. Okay. A is equal to n plus 1, D is equal to 2n, sum of m terms. Okay. So sum of m terms formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula, original formula. Here total sum of these terms, that is equal to n by 2. How many terms are there here? This is n by 2. Okay, this much only. This one only copy. So total this is in the form of AP series. So total how many terms? Sum of how many terms? N terms. This is formula. But here how many terms? M terms only. M terms. So n by 2 of 2a 2 into n plus 1 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means here m minus 1. M terms only. M minus 1 into d. D value is how much? 2a. Okay. So here n by 2 is there. So this is AP series. So total how many terms? M terms. Sum of m terms. M terms. This is n terms formula. M terms n by 2. M by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. D is how much? 2m. Okay. Now simplify this one. So mn by 4, so 2n plus 2 ones are 2 plus 2mn minus 2n. So m into 2n 2mn minus 1 into 2n 2n only. Okay. So mn by 4 plus 2n minus 2n cancel. So we get 2mn plus 2. 2mn plus 2. Okay. By taking common 2. Mn by 4 by taking common 2. Mn plus 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So Mn by 2 into Mn plus 1. Okay. This is S1 plus S2 plus so on Sm. Okay. So sum of n terms of MAPs. Okay. Mn by 2 into Mn plus 1. Okay. That much only correct one. Okay.